everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I did my first tutorial using the Thirsty palette. It was a really colorful look. I thought it was really cool, and I even went in the pool with it, which was pretty cool, and the colors didn't fade or anything. So maybe I'll add like a little video of that in here or something, I'm not sure. But yeah, I think today that we should go for a more neutral everyday look and try and see what we can come up with for a neutral everyday look for this palette. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and prime my eyes using the Urban Decay primer potion. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is taking a blending brush. I'm going to use this color Subtle right in the crease. Next I'm going to take the color Drizzle and just put that on the outer V of my eye. And I'm just going to blend those together with the first blending brush, the blending brush I used Subtle with. And I'm going to use the same blending brush, and I'm just going to put some of that color on there. And oh my god, I'm so sorry if you hear yelling in the background. My parents are watching the World Cup. So yeah, I'm just going to take some more drizzle and just work it into the outer V. And if you wanted to make this like a really glam look, you could keep darkening it and putting more of that drizzle color into your crease and the outer V, make it darker and darker, build it up. But for now, I'm just going to a barbecue, so I don't need to do all that. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the look with, what color should I put in there? I think I'm going to put Kumquat on the lid. Oh, that's so pretty. And going in with that blending brush one more time, just blending it all together. Now I'm going to put that color Drizzle, which was the darkest brown, and just put it under my eyes. And just connect it to what I made over here for a little bit of a more smoked out look. You don't have to do this, but that's just what I'm going for right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put on some winged liner and lashes, and I will be back with the final look. Alright you guys, I'm back. I'm having a lot of lash problems right now. They just don't want to work for me, and I'm gonna scream. So yeah, this is the final look. I added some winged liner, some lashes, and my everyday lipstick, which is MAC The Right Note. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool everyday look. So you can get your variety. You don't have to be scared of this palette just because there's so many bright colors in it. You can definitely get a lot of everyday looks if you take out these colors. I think this look, if you put one of the glitters in the lid instead of kumquat, it would look awesome too, and it would, like, you know, day to night kind of thing going on. But yeah, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe if you liked the video. Stay tuned because I'm definitely going to be doing more looks with this palette. Follow my Instagram. It's makeupbysonjax, Sonia with a J. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!